Hello, today we are going to be going over the fewer, equal, and more assignment. So first we're going to start off on my web page. We are going to click over here on Technology Integrated Instruction, or just hover over it, sorry, and click on Screencast Assignment. Here you will find the assignment, so you could either complete the assignment here on my web page, or you could click on this button and it will take you to a new tab where you can complete the assignment. I prefer this more. So first we are going to press start. And wait for it to load. There might be an ad.
Look at this group of buses. Now select the group that shows fewer.
So, as you see here, it says, look at this group of buses. Now select the group that shows fewer. Fewer also means less. So, we can click on this green audio button for it to read the question to you if you are not able to read. And so to complete the assignment, I would click on the scratch pad and count how many buses we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 buses. So now I'm going to count the buses in each circle. 1, 2, 3, whoopsies, 4, oh, sorry, 5. Okay, we have 5 buses in this circle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 buses in this circle. And we have 1, 2, 3 buses in this circle. So now I'm going to look back at the question, look at this group of buses, now select the group that shows fewer. So we have 4 buses here, and we see 5 is more than 4. 4 buses is equal to 4, and 3 buses is fewer to 4 buses, or it is less. So I will just close the scratch pad, click on 3 buses, and it shows down here that I got it right, and you will continue on for 9 more questions that they are going to ask you. So yeah, if you have any questions, please send me an email or send me a text. Doesn't matter. Alright, thank you.